This video will explore the features and benefits of a classic metal bathroom wastebasket. This wastebasket features durable metal construction. It's finished in black. The capacity of the wastebasket is 10 quarts. The dimensions are 13 inches in height and 9.5 inches in diameter. One of the key features is a toe tap lid. This allows for hands-free operation. There is also a removable inner bucket. This facilitates easy emptying and cleaning. The bottom is perforated to enhance ventilation. This classic design complements any bathroom decor. There are several benefits to using this type of wastebasket. Firstly, it helps keep your bathroom tidy and organized. Secondly, the durable construction withstands everyday use. Thirdly, the hands-free operation provides convenience. Fourthly, the removable inner bucket makes cleaning easy. Finally, the ventilation helps prevent odors and mildew. The wastebasket's metal construction ensures longevity. Metal is a robust material, resistant to wear and tear. This makes it suitable for the bathroom environment. The black finish adds a touch of elegance and easily blends with different bathroom styles. The 10-quart capacity is ample for typical bathroom waste. This reduces the frequency of emptying. The dimensions are carefully chosen to fit comfortably in most bathrooms. The height and diameter provide a good balance between capacity and space-saving design. The toe tap lid is a practical feature. It allows you to open the wastebasket without using your hands. This is particularly useful when your hands are full or dirty. The removable inner bucket is a convenient feature for emptying the wastebasket. You can easily remove the bucket, dispose of the contents, and clean the bucket if needed. The perforated bottom is a thoughtful design element. It allows air to circulate within the wastebasket. This helps to prevent the build-up of moisture and odors. The classic design is versatile and timeless. It complements a wide range of bathroom decors from traditional to modern. In terms of benefits, keeping your bathroom tidy is essential for hygiene and aesthetics. A wastebasket helps contain waste and prevents it from scattering around the bathroom. The durable construction ensures that the wastebasket can withstand daily use. It is resistant to dents, scratches, and other forms of damage. The hands-free operation is a significant convenience. It allows you to dispose of waste quickly and easily. The removable inner bucket simplifies the cleaning process. You can easily wash the bucket to remove any spills or stains. The ventilation helps prevent odors and mildew. This is especially important in a damp bathroom environment. This classic metal bathroom wastebasket is a practical and stylish addition to any bathroom. Its features and benefits make it a worthwhile investment for keeping your bathroom clean, organized, and hygienic. The durable materials and thoughtful design ensure that it will provide years of reliable service. It is easy to maintain and aesthetically pleasing.